Imagine this. What if 8% of your existing traffic could magically turn into buying customers? Let me let you in on a little secret. According to Unbounce, the average conversion rate for well-designed landing pages is 9.7%. That means that your Shopify landing page could be achieving incredible conversion rates. The only question left is how. So stick around so you can find out how to take your landing page from basic to bomb.com. Also, go ahead and give the subscribe button some love if you're interested in hearing more great e-commerce tips from us. So what is a Shopify landing page? It's a standalone page on your store that's designed with a specific conversion goal in mind. One of the biggest benefits to using Shopify landing pages is that they can boost your conversion rates by providing a more relevant experience to your users. For example, let's say you're promoting a spring sale on Facebook. If you send people to a generic product page, it might not match the experience in the ad, which could confuse your customers and ultimately make them bounce. But if you use a landing page specifically designed with spring sale in mind, complete with springy copy and vibes, hello conversions. Now, the real question is, how can you build a landing page in Shopify? Let's take a look. The most basic way to build a Shopify landing page is to design it yourself. And here's how you do it. Head over to your online store in Shopify and then head over to the Pages section. Go ahead and click Add Page. From here, just type in your details, upload any content, and you're good to go. You can also use Liquid to create custom landing pages. If you have a developer on hand, or if you're familiar with Liquid, Shopify's coding language, you can create custom landing page templates just for your store. One of the benefits to creating a landing page template is the ability to customize each section with your desired content, products, and images. The result is a unique and personalized landing page that speaks to your target audience and drives conversions. Don't know from code and can't afford a developer? No worries, my friend. No worries. That's where a landing page builder for Shopify comes in. Many of these builders come loaded with advanced features like heat mapping, mobile responsive templates, and proven conversion elements, making it easy to create professional and effective landing pages. Unlucky for you, there are a ton of amazing landing page builders out there. Let's take a look at a few of them. Starting with Pagefly. They're one of the most popular landing page builders on Shopify. We're talking over 100,000 merchants who use the app. And they have more than 20 integrations with other Shopify stores, which can boost sales even more. With Pagefly, you're looking at a complete package where you can build and optimize your landing page, and it's as simple as drag and drop. And they have over 80 beautiful template designs built in, so you definitely don't need to be a skilled designer to have a killer landing page. And next up, we have Shogun. Their page builder is super easy to use without compromising on quality. It's a powerful tool used by the likes of experienced designers and CRO professionals. They also have an intuitive drag and drop interface with an extensive library of landing page elements, making it easy to build your pages quickly and efficiently. But if you want to get serious conversions, it's not enough simply to build a landing page. You need to know how to design it for optimal results. If you're using a landing page builder, you'll have all the benefits of the built-in templates, but it's still important to know what you should be including in each section. So first, let's talk about optimizing the area above the fold, which is the first thing visitors see when they get to your page. There are a few key elements that you should include to capture their attention and persuade them to take action. Number one, write a killer headline. Your headline is the magnet that pulls visitors in, so you better make sure that it's gosh darn compelling. So summarize the main benefit of your product and address the biggest objection. Here, Smile Direct Club addresses the biggest objection of dental care being expensive and follows up with advertising for a smile you'll love for less than $3 a day. Number two, convey value with your subheading. This is your chance to explain what you do and outline secondary benefits that your customers need to know. Look how Quip does this with their excellent subheading. Guide a lifetime of good habits with electric toothbrushes, refillable floss, and more for the whole family. Number three, let people visualize it. Visuals are a powerful way to showcase your product. So be sure to include high quality video or images above the fold. Look at how Harry's does this beautifully with their stunning visuals. Number 4, slather social proof. Including media mentions and customer reviews on your landing page adds credibility and authority to your brand. I mean, a lot of companies sell dog food, but not a lot of them have been mentioned in Vogue. Have great reviews, put them front and center. Number 5, make the next step obvious. Your call to action should be highly contrasted, meaning that it's sitting against a highly contrasted color to make it really pop out. I mean, look at how Trade Coffee does it. See how your eyes are naturally drawn to that red button in a sea of white? Next, let's take a look at what's beneath the fold. Above the fold might be the best flashy place to win your customers' attention, but beneath the fold is what's going to seal the deal. And here's what you'll need to do it. First, outline features and overcome objections. Beneath the fold is where you need to convince visitors of the value of your product and address any objections they might have. Use icons or bullet points to clearly highlight the benefits or features of your product and address common sticking points. Look at HelloFresh, who put 4 icons right beneath the fold that back up their headline claim and directly address sticking points. Next, include more social proofs. Seriously, let your customers do the work for you. This is such a powerful tool that strongly resonates with visitors. It's also a great idea to tie up loose ends with a frequently asked questions section. This is your chance to address any objections that you didn't have room for above the fold and put customers at ease. For an excellent FAQ section, make sure to include a list of common customer objections and reframe them as questions and answers to level up conversions even more. And lastly, add a final call to action. If a visitor has made it to the bottom of your landing page, I'd say they're pretty likely to convert at that point. Make it easy for them to take the next step with a compelling and contrasting call to action. Also, you can use this opportunity to address any lingering objections and give visitors the confidence to take the plunge. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel equipped and ready to build an awesome Shopify landing page for your store. Remember to always keep your audience in mind when designing and crafting your landing page. And don't be afraid to test or experiment to find the perfect mix of elements that inspires visitors to take action. If you have any questions or need more guidance, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment below. We're here to help you succeed in your e-commerce journey.